Welcome to the Knowledge Academy YouTube channel. If you're new to SAP, you've probably heard about SAP S/4HANA Cloud. But what is it, and why is it such a big deal? In this video, we'll break it down in simple, easy-to-understand steps for beginners. Let's get started. What is SAP S/4HANA Cloud? SAP S/4HANA Cloud is SAP's modern cloud-based ERP system. It helps businesses manage all their core processes like finance, supply chain, sales, and production in one connected, real-time platform. The key difference? It's hosted in the cloud, which means it's faster, more flexible, and easier to update than traditional SAP systems. Why is it important? SAP S/4HANA Cloud helps companies work faster with real-time data, reduce costs by using cloud storage, scale quickly as the business grows, stay updated with automatic software upgrades. This makes it perfect for companies looking to modernize their operations without large on-site servers. Key features of SAP S/4HANA Cloud: real-time reporting and dashboards, flexible cloud access from anywhere, integrated business functions like finance, supply chain, and sales, built-in AI and automation to improve processes, faster implementation compared to traditional ERP. Who is it for? It's SAP S/4HANA Cloud is great for growing businesses that need flexibility, large enterprises moving to cloud solutions, anyone who wants to simplify and modernize complex operations. Why learn SAP S/4HANA Cloud? The demand for SAP Cloud skills is rising rapidly. Learning SAP S/4HANA Cloud can open up new career paths in SAP Consulting, Cloud Project Management, SAP System Administration, SAP functional roles like finance, sales, or supply chain. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more beginner-friendly SAP guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.